How to set up Google Analytics. Before you start using Google Analytics, you'll have to set up a Google account. This means you must have a registered Google account email address and password. Once you've created a Google account, that doesn't mean you automatically have access to GA. Rather, you have to register for Analytics, which we'll review how to do in the next section. But the important thing to note as you go to set up GA is that you can only access the tool by using a valid Google account. Here are the steps on how to use Google Analytics for your website. Step 1. Create a Google Analytics account. First, you'll have to create a Google Analytics account, or sign in to your current account. Step 2. Add the name, URL, and industry of the website you want to track. Choose which account you want to add the property to. You should create and name your property at this point and enter the website's URL as well as industry and reporting time zone. Then you'll be able to create and finish this step of the process. Step 3. Add a data stream or view to your property. Note: GA4 no longer uses views, but it instead has data streams with similar functionality. Keep this in mind when following these steps using Universal Analytics. To add a view to your Universal Analytics account, go to the account and property you want to add a view. To use the menu to create a view, name your view, select the type of view, web or app, and answer a few other questions. Remember, you can add up to 25 views to a property in GA. To add a data stream to your GA4 account, go to the account and property you want to add a data stream to. Use the menu to add a data stream. Choose or add a stream and save it. Step 4. Add your tracking code directly after the head tag of your site. When you create a property, you'll have access to a unique ID for tracking and a global site tag, code you need to add to each site page you want to measure. This is how you'll be able to collect data on your property. Then, paste your global site tag right after the opening head tag on each site page you plan on measuring. You'll be asked to choose your type of site, static, dynamic, web hosting, and Google Tag Manager so that you can set up the data collection accurately. Step 5. Visit your GA portal and verify the code is working. Lastly, verify your code is working. You can do this by looking at the real-time report section while clicking around on your site in a different tab or on your phone. The report should show at least one visitor to the site, that's you. And that's pretty much it. After that review, you may be wondering the following. Do you need to add the GA code to every page of your site? That's a lot of manual work, especially if your website has more than 50 pages. Plus, what happens when you create new pages? Do you need to add the tag every time? The short answer is no. The longer answer: you only need to add the tag to every page template. So, if you have a one-page type on your site, meaning every individual page uses the same header module, you only need to add it to that module and it'll be applied to every page. If you have two page types, you'd need to paste the code into the two separate header modules. 3 page types, 3 header modules. And if you use a CMS like HubSpot, this task is even easier. These tools come with a separate field where you paste your tracking code just once. Additionally, to set up Google Analytics properly, you'll want to understand the various layers of the tool, specifically the hierarchy.